Yes, student. Now the next one is reactions of hydrogen with other elements of periodic table. Okay, student, you know that hydrogen is smallest in atomic size and covalent radius, isn't it? Also, it is highly reactive. This is due to presence of only one electron in its valence shell. So, sometimes it can gain electron to be stable and sometimes it can lose electron. So, in both the case, it can react. Therefore, what? It forms large number of compounds with almost all elements of periodic table. That means what? It shows high reactivity. It shows high reactivity, high reactivity, okay, and reacts with almost all element of periodic table. Almost all elements of periodic table. Periodic table. Thus, the compound forms called what? Hydrides. Called hydrides. That is the compound of hydrogen with other elements. These compounds are called hydrides. There are number of hydrides available. Okay, therefore we can call it what? Classification of hydrides. Classification of hydrides. Getting? And their nature also. So this become our one more content. What? Classifications of hydrides. Okay. First one, it is called ionic hydrides. Ionic hydrides. Okay. How it form? When hydrogen reacts with okay, elements of what? S block. S block means what? Group 1 and what? 2 elements. Called what? Ionic hydrides. Now, we can discuss its nature. Okay, these are ionic what? Crystalline solid. Crystalline solid. Isn't it? Formed by electrovalent bond. Electrovalent bond. Now, being they are ionic solid, okay, their melting point and boiling point are very high. And also good conductor. You can call it what? Good conductor. Now, can you give some examples? So, a lot of examples are there, like NaH, like KH, like MgH2, like CaH2. They are called what? Ionic solid. Okay. Number 2 is called metallic solid. Metallic hydride. Sorry, we are studying for hydrogen. Therefore, we can name them what? Metallic hydrides. Now, compounds of hydrogen with which element? Metals means typical metals. These are called what? D block elements. D block elements. They are called what? Metallic hydrides. The compound of hydrogen with D block elements are called what? Metallic halides. These are non stoichiometric compound, non-stoichiometric compounds. Now, what is the meaning of non-stoichiometric compound? That is what? The stoichiometry of metal and hydrogen are not perfect. Okay, but actually what? The different type of stoichiometry, the ratio of p block metal and the hydrogen is present. Therefore, they are called what? Non-stoichiometric compound. Getting? Also called interstitial compound. They are also called interstitial compounds. Getting? Hydrogen can be trapped in interstitial void, that is gap, okay, of d block metals, okay, like what? Nickel, okay, platinum. Such phenomenon is called hydrogen storage. This is known as what? Hydrogen storage. That is, the hydrogen gets trapped, okay, with the nickel and platinum like metal. Actually what? They are having some interstitial voids where it can trapped. Therefore, this is known as hydrogen storage. Okay, so one more hydrides is there. We will see in next video. This is called covalent or molecular hydrides.